अस्सलाम वालेकुम माय यूट्यूब फैमिली, क्या हाल चाल है। उम्मीद है आप सब खैर खैरियत से होंगे। वेलकम यू टू अनदर एक्साइटिंग व्लॉग। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू हाउ टू डेकोरेट एन एनवेलप। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। First of all, we are going to take the 3-4 color pages and we draw a balloon on it, and then we are supposed to cut it. Okay, we are going to do the cutting. We are making hot air balloon. Okay, this is an envelope. First of all, we have to paste any color page on it, and here we have to fold these all that balloons, and then we are going to paste them together to give them a 3D effect. Okay, so first of all I'm going to paste yellow color with blue, and then the red color with yellow. This is the red color. I'm going to paste it with yellow, and now the pink color I'm going to paste it here. So I'm going to paste this thing on the top of that envelope. Okay, the main thing is that we are going to make a hot air balloon. Yes, look at this, how beautiful it is looking. 3D effect is looking very nice. And now we are going to make a basket. We draw a basket on the page, and then with the help of a scissor we cut it, and here is our basket ready. We are going to place it with the glue and the rope with the help of a pointer. We are going to make the ropes with the pointer, and in this way we are going to highlight it. After that we are going to cut the clouds, different sizes of clouds, and then we are going to paste it on it. Paste the glue on it, and here I'm going to paste the clouds. Different sizes. You can paste the small or the big balloons on it. Then I'm going to make a star, small star